Hello friends, welcome to part 33 of Laravel 13 series in which we are creating the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part, we are going to send register email offline with Mailtrap. So the Mailtrap is the software by which we can send emails offline. If you are not having the account at Mailtrap, then you can create the account. You can open the Mailtrap and you can open the account here. Okay, you can click on sign up and you can register your account here. Okay, with your email id you can register your account. Okay, you can use the Google account or you can create your own account with your email. I am already having the account. I'm going to log in with my own account. I am having the Google account, so I'm going to log in with the my Mailtrap account. So after login, you will reach at the home page of the Mailtrap, from where you can able to manage your emails, whatever email you are going to send offline in your Laravel project. Those mails will come up here. So here, once you will reach, you can click on inbox here. Okay, and here you can see some of the emails are already here because I've already set it for the other websites as well, for the testing of the emails of other websites. Okay, once you will reach here for the first time, you can click here, you can check here PHP, and here you can see the settings Laravel 9 plus, as we are using the Laravel 13. So you need to select here the Laravel 9 plus, and this is the configuration, this is the mail configuration that you are required to replace in your .env file. Okay, so this you are required to pick from here and replace in your env file. So I'm going to tell you all these steps for the register mail that we are going to send offline. We have already completed the register process. We able to register the new user. Here you can see that we can able to register the new user, and now we are going to save that user to sorry, we are going to send email to that user. We are going to welcome that user who registered to our website. And see here that we have already registered the user, and we have inserted the users data in the users table. Here we have tried with some of the dummy data last time, and now once we will fill up this form, click on register, then the register mail will be sent to the user. Okay, so let's follow this step that you can find under video. So first step is to create the free account at the Mailtrap, that I have already explained you that how you can able to get the account at the Mailtrap. After getting the Mailtrap account, you are required to update your .env file. So you are required to update your .env file. Okay, so here you are required to update your mail configuration. Here you can see, and the username and password that you will get from your Mailtrap. Okay, here from here you will get your username and password. You are simply required to copy and will paste here. Okay, so this complete setting, you are going to open your .env file. Sorry, you are going to open here at the root, you will find this file, and you are going to replace this Mailtrap with this Mailtrap. Okay, and username and password you are going to replace with your own username and password. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to copy this and will replace this one, this complete I'm going to replace with this one. Okay, and only thing, I'm going to copy my username and password. From here I'm going to copy my username and password as well. I'm going to copy, but I'm not going to share with you, and you also don't share your password with anyone, so that to avoid the unauthorized access. Okay, so password also I'm going to copy, and it will work, it will surely work, that once I will copy the password, it will be displayed here. Okay, so after this I'm going to take the next step, and next step is to create the user register mail. Okay, so that mail file that we are going to create, we are going to run the artisan command to create the user register mail. Okay, so we are going to run the artisan command for our project. Show more options, open git bash here, and here I'm going to run this command to create the user register mail. uh, so I'm going to open this file, user register mail. So this is the file, but I'm going to modify with this file that will contain all the settings of user register mail. Okay, this is the uh, This once you will create the user register mail, by default it these settings will come, by default these functions will come, but we are going to replace that with our own file. Okay, we are not required that much functions and that much classes. Okay, we will only keep those that we require. The rest of the things we will delete from this file. And here you can see in the build, we have added the subject for the email. Well, welcome to AI powered e-commerce. And in view, it will go to the emails, then register. Okay, in emails folder, register blade file, that is the template of this email. Okay, so the template, we are going to add the template now. See register.blade.php file. If the emails folder does not exist, then we are going to create the emails folder. Sources, views, yes, the email folder does not exist because from Laravel 12 onwards, these kind of folders does not come with the Laravel, but you need to manually create of your own. Okay, so sources, views, emails, and inside emails, I'm going to create the register blade file. So here I'm going to create this file. I'm going to drag this file to here in my Sublime, and now I'm going to add this template. Okay, so template is already, I have developed this template, simple template, taken help from the AI. Okay, you can modify this template. This is very simple template, but you can modify this template after taking the help from the AI. You can now modify. Okay, any you can get any good design for the email and can modify it. Okay, so after this, now we will add the register service. Register service is already there, where we are going to send the email after the register. Okay, so here I'm going to open the register email, and here you can see add email code to send register mail. First of all, I'm going to add some of the classes here at the top. Okay, so I'm going to add here some of the classes. Here you can see I'm going to compare it with this one. User is here, hash is here, but after this, these classes that we require, we are going to add these classes. Okay, so low class does not require, but we are going to add, no issue, because we have added that try catch block, so that's why we require the log, so that is fine. So here after this email, you can see after this email, we are going to send the welcome email. Okay, after registering the user, sorry, after registering the user, we are going to send the welcome email to the user. Okay, and here you can see that we are going to modify the complete register function. It is better to modify the complete register function because we have not returned. Here we have directly returned, so that's why we need to modify the function. We are not required to directly return. We will first create the user, after that we will send the email. Okay, so return is not required directly. We are not required to return. Okay, so here we are going to modify the complete register function like this. Okay, so first we are going to register the user, and after that we are going to send the register mail, this welcome email. Okay, so here in try catch block, in try block we are going to send the mail, and we will call that user register mail that we have created in the user register mail file. Okay, we will call this file. We will call this file here, and you can see that we are going to send the email with this file. Okay, so otherwise the error will come in catch. Okay, so after that we are going to return the user. So this is the thing that we have done. Now we are going to test the email. Let's create the new user now. Okay, so now we will try with the new name, email, everything. Okay, so Gupta, I'm going to add any email here, hotmail.com. I will use some other so that it does not exist. Okay, so I'm going to click on register now. So the email has, I'm going to check the register has been done. User has been registered. I'm going to check first in table. The fifth entry, yes, you can see the entry has come up here. Okay, so I'm going to check in Mailtrap. Yes, the email has come. You can see the welcome to AI powered e-commerce. So the email has come here. We have done with the simple template. Okay, you can see You can improve the email template. Okay, we can ask to improve the email template to AI. We will ask to improve our email template. So that it will look good. A more professional and interactive welcome email template for your Laravel e-commerce project. Okay, so it completely understands that we want it for the Laravel. Okay, so now I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, it looks better in code. Let's test it. So I'm going to do it with the new user. I'm going to register the new user now. Any other email. Okay, so now I'm going to register. So it has been done. You can see we able to register with the new user. I'm going to check in table. Yes, we able to register with the new user as well. Okay, so I'm going to check in email now. I'm going to check the new template. Yes, the new email has come up here, and you can see the template this time. This time it's the really beautiful template. You can see, welcome Gupta, thank you for registering with our AI e-commerce platform. Okay, you can see here, we are excited to have you as part of our community. Your account has been created successfully. You can now start exploring our products, offers, and personalized shopping experience. With your new account, you can browse and purchase products, save time. So it's really good template. Okay, you can see it's the professional template. You can try with this one. Okay, you can take help from the AI. Okay, I am providing you the instructions that you can follow to make your e-commerce website. The rest of the things you can take help from AI. Okay, if you will go with my way of doing it, you will surely make an e-commerce website. Okay, so I am here to help you in your process. I hope that everything is clear to you. We will work on the login functionality in the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.